Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. In this video, we are going to learn about how to swap elements at specific indices in a list using the collections class. Okay, friends. I do have one information for you. You can visit to my website www.learngreen.net to read more blogs on core Java. I do regularly write blogs on this website for core Java concepts, and there are also some coding problems, coding examples related to concepts of core Java. Okay, friends. So let's continue for our code example on uh, swapping the elements using collection class in Java. Okay friends, so I am creating here one array list of integers with name numbers. Okay, so new array list interface, data type is integer. Now please do import the necessary interfaces and classes. Write the list name here. The name of our list is numbers. List name variable is numbers. Okay, on import a list here, list package, and array list as well. Okay friends, now let's add the elements in our numbers list. Now just copy line number 22 times to add two more elements. Okay friends, so friends, here we have created one array list of integer data type with name numbers with element values as 10, 40 and 8. Now friends, if we want to swap the elements at index number 0 and 2, so we do use here collections dot swap method. Okay, so let's do write code for that. Collections dot swap. Now we have to pass the list name here, numbers, and uh, index numbers. So I am passing here 0 and 2. So friends, our code is ready now. Our code is complete now. We have done with our code. Now let's save the code. Sorry friends, we miss one more line. We missed the line to print the code. So write that code. Sys out swap numbers. Okay. plus pass the list name here numbers. Okay, let's save the code. So friends, let's run our code. So friends, now you can see that we are able to swap the numbers. Our output is swap numbers are 8, 40 and 2, and this is our original number list 10, 40 and 8. Okay, we have swapped the numbers at indices 0 and 2. So friends, let's compare this uh, code demo with a real world example. Imagine you are managing a queue of customers in a waiting area. The numbers represent customers ID, and you want to change the positions of customers within the queue. Okay, so friends, here number simulates your customer queue with customer IDs, means numbers list, and by using the collections.swap method, we you are swapping the positions of customers at index 0 and at index 0 and 2. Okay, in the queue. So friends, this is similar to allowing two customers to switch places in a real world waiting line. Okay friends. So friends, now see some important points about this swap method, or about this code. So friends, this code demonstrates how to swap elements in a list, which is useful for reordering items in various scenarios, such as customer fees, to-do lists, or card games. Okay friends, so this is all about how to swap elements at a specific indices in a list using collections class. uh, I do hope that you understand the code demo of for swap method very well. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel Code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Please make my please add value to my efforts. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding.